This is tutorial number 33, and it covers how to use the hide show feature within Catia V5. To start off, open up tutorial part 6C, which is located on the DVD. So what we're going to do in this tutorial is I'm just going to show you how to use the hide show feature within Catia V5. Now you can find this on the Views toolbar. So it's this button right here is the hide and show, but you're also able just to either right click on the object and you'll get an option to say hide show. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to hide and show some of your components. So right now we have these two cylinders in this block. So what I'm going to do is to hide one of the cylinders, I'm going to right click on it and click hide. And now I've gotten rid of one of the cylinders. If I right click and say hide show again, it comes back. So you're able to go to either one and select and hide either one independently. Now say you wanted to hide both of them at the same time, you'd have to go deeper into your product tree. So we'll open it up, and then if you hide the part body, both of them are going to be hidden. And if you show them, now both of them are going to be shown. Now the reason why, if you hide the part body compared to just hiding the part that's put into the assembly, is that the part body is connected, is the whole part body, so it's the part. So between all of these cylinders, all of their bodies will be hidden. Now if you just go and say that part 1 is going to be hidden, it's just going to be this one guy compared to cylinder 1, cylinder 2. So on a lower level, as you're hiding them all, it's going to hide across every single instance of that part that's in your assembly. Now, it doesn't have to be just parts that you can hide. You can even hide these planes. So we can right click on this and click hide, and we can slowly hide all these planes. So this is a really good tool. Allows you to, when you have an assembly, you're able to kind of hide and show and expose different sub-assemblies of your entire assembly, or you can even use this on sketches or just even on the part level too. So this concludes our tutorial on how to use the hide show feature within Catia V5.